No, it's not a merry-go-round in that hot place down below. But like most glassware manufacturing plants, this one in Sydney has plenty of heat, with lots of bang and clatter. Inside these molds, the tumblers have their first baptism of heat and fire in temperatures around the 2,000-degree mark. They've a lot more of it to go through, though, before there's relief at the cool end of the assembly line. Goblets are checked for faults as they're transferred to the press where stems are to be fitted. The stems first appear as small globs of molten glass dropped from melting furnaces heated to 2,600 degrees. The heat treatment continues as the sections are joined. There's yet another heating process if the glasses are to carry patterns or colors. Manufacture of containers for foods is an important part of the glassware industry in Australia, following the development of self-service grocery stores. These will be 6-ounce containers for sandwich spreads. It's one industry where quality control is a must, but there's little waste. Anything rejected goes back into the melting pot and the process starts all over again. The end of the line. Some of the glassware is exported, but most of the products will end up in Australian homes in one form or another. All sizes, all shapes, catering for all tastes and all thirsts, from a gallon to a gulp. And for a real handful of drinking, try this one. But from the Champagne Charlie to the best in beer drinkers, the local glassware industry is catering for a multitude of thirsty tastes. And now out of the time tunnel, fashions for the